The Department of Health says it's not in breach of the Health Act. This after the DA accused the state of violating the Protection of Personal Information Act of 2013, otherwise known as POPI. It relates to the Health Minister requesting medical aid schemes to submit personal information of patients to the Health Department.
A storm in a teacup. That's how the row between the DA, Health Department and the Council for Medical Schemes has been described. The department has asked medical aid schemes to pass on the names and addresses of all their members for use in a central government database. A move the DA says breaches the members' constitutional right to privacy. But the department denies this.
The billing information is only about, for example, Anbin Pillay is on medical scheme X, this is his scheme number, etc. Very often medical scheme members come to the public sector and access services in the public sector. However, the public sector is unable to identify these members and bill the medical scheme for these accounts. So by able to have access to this information, a public hospital will identify that Anbin Pillay belongs to GEM's medical scheme, this is the option, and then be able to deliver a bill to my medical scheme for the services that are rendered to me.
However, the Medical Schemes Act prevents any person from disclosing information about the affairs of a medical scheme unless they are performing their duties or appear in court as witnesses. The Council for Medical Schemes, which regulates medical aid schemes, set up a review mechanism to look into the department's request.
That is our sole responsibility to ensure that members are protected always. It's different from your short-term insurance products where you'll find members are not necessarily protected. We find it very difficult to regulate this industry if we are not aware of who the member base is, that there is no intention to collect any clinical information. The directive from the Minister also makes it clear, no clinical information to be collected.
The aim of the registry is to make it easier for state hospitals to bill medical aid patients for accessing their services, and to create a central database of every patient in the country as part of the National Health Insurance Plan. Nozintombi Mia, SABC News, Johannesburg.